Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at the very nice villa in
Chaiyapruk Road.
and I'm here with lovely Pinky, of course.
Hi, good morning. So from here to Jomtien Beach, probably 10 minutes. If you know the indoor stadium, Pattaya. So
It's very close, right opposite to it. You can reach the railway road within 2 minutes and Sukhumvit Road within 5 minutes. And this one is a very large villa. It sits on a 270 square watt plot of land.
yes, 1080 square meter of the land. Living space, 480 square meter of living space. 6 bedroom, 7 bathroom, 2 living room, big kitchen.
A very nice and big swimming pool.
Large pool, 12 meter long.
With 2 seats inside the swimming pool and an outdoor shower. But I guess, without further ado, let's start the tour. Follow us.
So here's a parking space. You have remote control gate at the entrance. So you have big parking space outdoor as well. So probably 8 cars can fit in here.
Covered car parking for like 3 cars and some motorbikes, and then you can put like more cars here on the outdoor area. And then here will be the main entrance to the house. So you have like a nice large garden on the right hand side in front of the house and in front of the swimming pool. And actually this part of the house is like dedicated for most of the bedrooms.
You have 1, 2, 3, 4,
Bedroom.
5, 6
Yes.
inside. Yeah, so 6 bedrooms.
Yeah, I guess we start with this one first.
Okay. All the bedroom come with fully furnished, built-in, loose furnitures, TV, and every bedroom have different design of built-in, I would say. So this one you have wood style headboard.
Yes, king size bed. Actually,
King size.
for like a guest bedroom, really nice size. You have here also the window to the outside, so have like a garden and swimming pool view. Here is the TV board, and with the TV cabinet, TV, everything comes included in this house. You have also 2 bedside tables built in.
So you have 6 door of wardrobe, 2 sides, and this one vanity table. You have a bathroom here. It's a little bit black marble style. So you have a sink, toilet, and rain shower room. And you have sky roof, so you can get the light in to your shower room.
And then right next door is the second bedroom.
I would say this one master.
Yes, this is the master.
Actually, 2 master, I would say. This one and then another one, which is inside the house.
Yes, but this one you see is like a much bigger than the other bedroom, the first bedroom. You have here also king size bed, like also everything with like a built-in headboard here with this like a mirror finish with LED lights all around, also LED lights under the bed, bedside tables also built in. And then here you have like even some more space for like a working, you know, like a desk. And of course all the TV wall built in, also with all TV cabinet below, a lot of storage.
And then you have slide door.
Oh.
As I always like it, to have a slide door and welcome you with a big walk-in closet, many of your clothes space, and this one for your watch accessory.
Yes, and even here have more space, clothes and wardrobe space. You even have like your aircon inside your wardrobe is nice. And also we have here the vanity table with like a large mirror.
And you have big bathroom with his and her sink. You have shower room and bathtub as well. So you have nice standing bathtub, toilet here, so bigger space of bathroom.
Right, so over here we have like the large swimming pool. So this one is 4 meters, 4 by 12 meters.
Yeah, 4 by 12.
Very nice big swimming pool. And then here you can access to a few more bedrooms. Actually, this part of the house is like separated from the rest of the house, but it's like a covered, like a walkway. So even if it's raining, you're not getting wet to go to the main part of the house. Basically here is another like a living room. So this one you can almost use like as a guest bungalow. So they even have their own living room. Over here is another bedroom, also with king size bed, everything built in. Nice large windows here with the swimming pool view. Also you see here like a lot of built-in storage space.
Together here with built-in wardrobe. You have a bathroom on my left-hand side. This is shower room and skylight. It's quite nice function of skylight. Toilet, sink for this bathroom.
Over here, just need to mention, here will be like a maid's room and also will be like a laundry room. So you have like a lot of space. Even if you don't need a maid, there can be like a large storage room, and then also good for like drying the laundry. And then here I would say is the second master for this part of the house. Also very large bedroom.
With a nice built-in cabinet, TV cabinet, you have a lot more storage with the glasses and gold stripe decoration.
The view is not as good as in the real master bedroom, I would say, but you also have like a large king-size bed. And of course we don't have like a walk-in wardrobe, but you still have a lot of wardrobe space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you even have here some more storage. You have the vanity table as well, like a large mirror.
And of course you have big bathroom with his and her sink, toilet and big standing bathtub, separate shower room, skylight zone.
So this is now fourth bedroom, and now we're going to the main part of the house. So you see here is covered by the roof. So even if you're coming from your bedroom, you can just walk outside and you not get wet because you have the shelter from the roof. Of course, some more chairs, sun chairs inside the swimming pool, which is a nice feature. And also here have some more space for like a outdoor dining area, drinking area. You know, you can do some barbecue here as well. But there's also another barbecue area, which we will show you in a moment.
So you have slide door and you can come into the main living room.
And even here in the main living room, you immediately have a pool table.
So you can play the game with your family, friends.
This one will be main living room. And this one is really nice because it has like a double volume ceiling. You have like a lot of sofa space, large TV, all this built-in TV cabinet and then TV wall. And also with this like a crystal chandelier.
Now we move to the kitchen zone. You have dining table set up behind me. You have nice bar, I would say. So you can put all of your drink where you like, all glass, all beautiful decoration.
Well, they have a huge whiskey, but still lacking some like a gins and wines.
Yeah,
but,
you have still more space to put in. And also inside the cabinet as well, because you can see through with the glass. Wow, you have big island kitchen counter for cooking, prepare your breakfast.
We even have oven built in here in the kitchen counter, which is nice that you have an oven. Here is the space for the microwave. Of course, like a large space for the refrigerator as well. Hob and hood with 4 burners. Nice to have it for like doing some show cooking here. I think before we go to the bedroom, we just show you guys also the Thai kitchen, because here is even a large Thai kitchen. You have here gas stove, so basically you can make your Thai food here with like a gas. It's important.
Big pad kapao food.
Exactly. And here you have also wood as well. Some more space here for refrigerator, and you see like a lot of more storage below and above.
Yeah, it's good to have the big place for cooking. Here is the way to access to outdoors. So you have toilet outside and the terrace on the back side for just have a relax.
Yeah, but you can not only access from there, you can also access from the main living room to the outside. Maybe we check it out first. From the main living room, you basically can open this large sliding door. And you have here some more like outdoor space for like outdoor dining, for doing some barbecue. You can just go around where just Pinky showed you. This will lead you into the Thai kitchen.
One bedroom can exit from here. From the main living room house, you have one more bedroom here. Actually quite big bedroom. And I love this round glass windows. So you can see through to the swimming pool and garden, and it's make like a nice design.
And also, of course, like a quite large wardrobe, vanity table as well. And then in this one, you even have another big bathroom with like a double sink. Of course, toilet. Again, here some more space with the skylight. You even have like a large bathtub. And then look, you have like a huge walk-in shower here with rain shower and everything.
the house that we show you today. One-story modern house near Chaiyapruk area. 6 bedroom, 7 bathroom. The land size 1080 square meter. Living space 480 square meter. 35 million Thai baht. With all fully furnished.
So 35 million Thai baht. And of course, as always, we will put the listing in the video description below. And if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to our channel and see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.